Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I just wanted to give a practically almost 1 year update on the Qianmew couch covers. So when we first got our couch, we were really worried because we have pets and we didn't want our pets kind of damaging our couch. And so we have an American Bully and we also have a terrier who definitely likes to sleep on our couch. So this is what we went with as far as the Qianmew couch covers. And as you can see, it covers the back pillows and the actual cushions. It doesn't cover the bottom, which we're fine with just because our pets don't really step on the bottom portions of our couch. And so with the Qianmew, we've practically washed this definitely once a month. And you can see how it's kind of holding along. Like it's meant to be stretchy. It's meant to be washed. They still look great. They still feel great. None of them have ever ripped. None of them have ever torn. Even when it does get dirty, it easily is washable. So with it being washable, we just take out all the couch covers and then we go ahead and throw into the washer and then put it right back on. Now, according to them, these couch covers are suitable for cushions with a 23 to 35 inches and with a width of 21 to 31 inches. And for the height of the cushions, you just want to make sure they're about 4 to 9 inches in height. But with Qianmew though, they have a variety of different couch covers in different sizes. So just make sure that you grab a tape measure and actually measure out your cushions to ensure that you get the correct one. But after, I'd say around 12 washes or practically more, just because sometimes there's been like dog stains or dog dirt on the couch. And so maybe we'll wash it like twice in a single month. It's really easy to use. And the stretchability aspect of it, so if you look over here, same thing. The stretchability aspect of it just makes it really easy to keep taking on and off these couch covers. We also really like these armrest covers as well. So these come in really handy just because we have one of our dogs who likes to kind of lay on this side right over here. And so we also have one over here. But using this as the couch cover, of course, as the main cushion, and then our back pillows, like right over here, it looks great. It feels great. I mean, over time, we really haven't noticed any considerable amount of wear. It's more so the action of like if you just want to keep your couch covers protected, or if you just want to keep your sofa or couch protected, you are going to have to go through the manual work of putting these on and off all the time. So overall, very happy with it. I mean, I just want to give you a close look as far as like, I mean, you can kind of see like it gets a little wrinkled, but again, we'd rather prioritize making sure that our couches stay clean and comfortable over, some little wrinkles here and there. But it's really not a deal breaker in my opinion. But overall, I'd say just make sure number one, that you are measuring your couch cushion just because you want the correct fit. But the good thing, as I mentioned, is that they are stretchable. And number two, go with a nice color that kind of matches your color of the couch. So for us, like this is the natural color of our couch, but then up top, it almost looks practically the same color and they have a variety of different colors. If they did have like a bottom cushion, we probably would use that as well. But so far we've had no problems whatsoever.